What's happening, folks? Kevin here from SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming at you live Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. We are breaking another 6-box break of the brand new, just came out today, 2021 Panini Donruss Optic Baseball. This is 6-box break number 2. These 6 boxes came out of the same sealed case as the previous 6, so if you want to see the opening of that case and the pulling of the boxes out of the case, go back to break number 1, the first couple minutes, and you will see that. All right, who has who in this break? Break number 2. The Diamondbacks belong to Greg S. The Braves for Derek H. Orioles, Steve H. Red Sox, Matt R. Cubbies for Bobby E. The White Sox for Joe W. The Reds for Robert G. The Indians for Daniel K. Rockies, Jeremy W. Tigers, Mike DL. Astros, final spot karma right there for Brian K. Thank you, Brian, for that pickup. The Royals going to Robert T. The Angels and the Dodgers going to Mike DL. The Marlins for Robert G. The Brewers for Brian K. Minnesota Twins, Mike T. New York Mets, Jeremy W. Yankees for Mike DL. The A's for Brandon G. The Phillies for Steve H. The Pirates for Scott O. The San Diego Padres for Dean E. The Giants going to Jason M. Mariners for Alan K. Cardinals, Mike T. Rays, Dean E. Rangers, Jim W. Blue Jays for Natalino A. And the Washington Nationals going to Dean E. All right, here we go, guys. Guys, for the benefit of anybody that is new with us, every card will be shipping to you. So every card, every time. We're looking for 2 autos in every box. We're looking for all the color. We're looking for, any funky inserts, any funky prisms that go on here. So the pink velocities, all that kind of stuff. But you will get all cards. All right, here we go. I did these 1 box at a time last time, and I think I'm just going to stick with that method. There's an empty box. Guys, can we do more Origins tonight? That first Origins was pretty hot. We have 3 more of them filling up. There's a Daniel Johnson, a 75. Acuna Jr. to 199, Diamond Kings version. We'll see all these cards from the front in a minute. So hot boxes have 5 autographs or 10 numbered prisms. Do we have a hot box on our hand here? Because I'm seeing a lot of numbering. If we come up with 10 numbered prisms, then we do in fact have a hot box. Okay. That's the 76. So that's probably going to be one of the Stars and Stripes or something, right? All right, let me shuffle these packs away into the garbage can. Let me get a... I don't have one of my little base buckets going here, and I'm going to need one. So grabbing one of those. All right, do we have a hot box? That's the question. We might. Let's get the camera focused in here. Camera focus. These cards have a pretty high level of glare on them, so tough to get a real good focus. All right, Taylor Trammell. Should be in this half, Brian? Yeah, I think so. I think we might, in fact, have one on our hands right here. We got a signature series of Evan White for Seattle. The Seattle spot belongs to Allen. So right off the rip here, we're pulling our first auto. Signature Series Evan White, Seattle. So 1 of 2 autos. And here is Aaron Nola with the Stars and Stripes to 76. So that's 1 numbered prism. So Philadelphia belongs to Steve H. Liberatore silver, and here is another one. It's an Ohtani, pink velocity, very nice. Angels go to Mike DL. Ohtani, pink velocity, numbered to 249, so that's our second numbered prism, right? Mythical, Jesus. Got the red, white, and blue of Florial. That's going to be our third numbered prism to 199, so I think it's safe to say we do have the hot box going on. Unleashed of Acuna Jr., Diamond Kings, Kyle Lewis, Kalenic, flying across my break table. And here is, I believe that's the Carolina, right? Anthony Rizzo, Chicago. That's going to be to 50, 12 out of 50. Cubbies going to Bobby. So Bobby getting that one. Shane Bieber, lights out. And here's Ohtani again, very nice. One of these black with the, what are they called again? Jeremy told me the exact name before, and I can't remember what it is. To 149, Angels. Got a Manning rated prospect. Jazz Chisholm. And here comes some more. Anderson Tejeda for Texas. That is orange to 125. Lights out of Justin Verlander. Lights out Nolan Ryan. That is a prism version. Here's a blue. Alek Manoah, Toronto to 99. What do we got? Aaron Judge, Diamond Kings purple. Really nice. 249 on that one. Got an Aaron Judge Unleashed silver. Got the red, white, and blue again. Tampa Bay, Tyler Glasnow to 199. Mythical of Cal Ripken. Still looking for a second auto up in here. And this one's going to be low numbered. The Joey Bart coming up is going to be low numbered. Rated rookie Joey Bart. That's 20 of 35. Nice. San Francisco belongs to Jason M. Jeff Bagwell T-minus 321. And then here's an orange. Toronto, Hyunjin Ryu. Numbering to 125. And here comes our second auto. So second auto, and it is going to be a rated rookie with some numbering. 33 of 75, Pavin Smith. Arizona belongs to Greg S. That is blue. Blue rated rookie auto. Pavin Smith. Got a Glaber, blue to 99. Acuna Jr. Unleashed. Marte, Diamond Kings. Here's a Joey Bart, pink velocity. So Joey Bart showing up twice across the hot box here. To 249, San Fran. Matt Manning, rated prospect. Oh, I see what I would call a superfractor if this was a Topps product. Gold vinyl. All right. Let's see if we can... got an Acuna Jr. to 199, Diamond Kings. Got a Ramirez Mythical. That is a prism version, right? Then we have Acuna Jr. Mythical. Let's do this. Let's put it down right there. Let's look at it when we get through the rest of the stack. We'll look at it at the end of the stack. Garrett Crochet. Brandon Lau. That is going to be to numbered 149. Sammy Sosa. T-minus 321. Come on. Luis Robert, Charlie Blackmon, silver. We got a Daniel Johnson rated rookie blue to 75, Cleveland. Stanton, Singer, pink velocity. Tucker Davidson, Atlanta to 249. Sosa, Bubik, Shane McClanahan with a rated rookie silver. Trent Grisham, San Diego, orange to 125. Meyer, Brandon Lau. We got a Votto, Diamond Kings. We got another number to 76 here of Jose Garcia. 64 of 76 for Cincinnati. And Dylan Carlson, the rookies, coming up at the end. All right, let's see what we got here with this gold vinyl. Let's see what we got. We'll do a little slow reveal if we can. Mythical of Acuna Jr. in front of it. It's upside down. Rated rookie, Edward Olivares for Kansas City. 1/1 gold vinyl. Boom. Kansas City going to Robert T. Nice, buddy. Nice, nice. Gold vinyl action, 1/1. That one I'll sleeve up for you right now as well. Congrats, congrats. Gold vinyl, 1/1. Kansas City. All right. That was a decent box number 1. Decent box number 1, I think we could say. Okay. How many? We had a lot. These are all the numbered prisms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 in there. Actually 18 if we're counting the 1/1 as well. All right, there's an empty box. And I guess technically there's 20 numbered prisms in the hot boxes, so probably those autos would count as the other 2 to make up the full 20. I see another Stars and Stripes. I see another Pink Velocity, and can kind of see the side cross-section of the stack as I settle them down here. All right, here we go. All right, these cards are so slick. All right, Diaz. We got a Vladdy Jr. Silver. Got a Miggy. It's a 75. Diamond Kings purple. And what do we got? We got a Tukey. Atlanta on the board for Derek. Tukey auto coming up. Congrats, congrats. All right, let's keep going. Chris Bryant, Pink Velocity. Cubbies to 249. Bregman, T-minus 321. Casey Mize, the rookies. Silver, we got a Verdugo. Red, white, and blue to 199. Alejandro Kirk, very nice, to 149. Pache, the rookies. Grisham, we got a Miggy, Diamond Kings. Here's the, what do we got here with this Ohtani coming up? Pete Alonso, Stars and Stripes to 76, 58 of 76. And we got a mythical of Ohtani. Is this an auto? Who's got the Angels? Mike DL. That is not an auto, but that's got to be some kind of variation of some sort because it was flipped. So Mythical of Ohtani. Gonna put that right there. Randy Johnson, lights out. Mythical Silverberry Larkin. Jazz Chisholm. Rated rookie, 249, pink velocity. Rizzo. This one is going to be to 199, Cubbies. Case hit on that one, Jay, the Ohtani. Let me pull it out of the stack here in a second. Javier Baez. Dalton Varsho. This one is a straight black border. It doesn't have the... that's the 25. Really nice. Arizona going to Greg S. Then Christian Robinson, rated prospect. Let me sift out that Ohtani here. There it is. All right, let's keep going. First green I'm seeing in this stuff. We got an Alex Verdugo. Green. Ooh. Is that an emerald? 3 out of 5. Boston. Boston going to Matt. These 6 boxes are pretty darn hot. Alex Verdugo to 5 for Boston. Pete Alonso, unleashed. Chris Paddock, silver. Shane Bieber, orange to 125. Paul Goldschmidt, mythical. We got a Josh Donaldson, blue. That's to 75. Trav, what's happening, buddy? Got a Cal Ripken, mythical, Schmidt. And here comes our next one. How about a Mickey Moniak? Philadelphia. Going to Steve. Mickey Moniak to 75, rated rookie auto. Nice one. Very nice. The Carolina blue, I think. Carolina blue is at the velocity with that style going on. Mickey Moniak, Philadelphia. Steve, congrats. Nice hit. Then the pink velocity of Giolito for Chicago. 249. Justin Verlander, lights out. Verdugo, Meadows, silver. Got a Kenta Maeda, Minnesota. 199 with the red, white, and blue. Tucker Davidson, Atlanta. That's going to be to 149. Matt Olson, Braylon Marquez, orange. 125 rated rookie. Vladdy Diamond Kings, another pink velocity. Shane McClanahan, 249. Tim Anderson, Diamond Kings, Prism version. Booked a small win. I like to hear it, buddy. Tristan McKenzie for Cleveland, 199 with the red, white, and blue. Giddy Cappy. What do we got? We got a red. Jose Ramirez. That's to 60. Nice. Cleveland, Jose Ramirez to 60. Trevor Bauer, lights out. C.J. Abrams, rated prospect. Prism. Trevor Story, this is going to be to 125, or 149. 149 for Colorado. Ken Griffey Jr., mythical. Juan Soto, Diamond Kings. Byron Buxton, that's going to be blue to 99. And the last one, Ha-Sung Kim, the rookies. Well, you booked a win on Bitcoin, too, because Bitcoin's rallying hard, right? I kept refreshing my portfolio all day today. I'm like, oh man, is this the run we're looking for? And it's like 55 and change where it last left off. I'm like, holy man. It's pushing its, what was its highest number ever? 61, I think, when it hit the highest number ever. So can it surpass the peak? All right. Empty box. Here we go. Box 3. There's Spencer, rated prospect. Guys, here is the dealio. It's trending down in the last hour? Figures. That figures. So I have some stuff going on Friday. Usually the way we work these new releases, like if stuff doesn't fill up in its entirety on the release night, we usually go live like 2 days later on a Friday to try to, do a little cleanup. I have some stuff going on Friday. So I can't do a live session on Friday. I can do one tomorrow, but you know what would be ideal? Just getting it all filled up tonight. So just tossing it out there, guys. Origins football, breaks 2, 3, and 4. We can break all 3 of those tonight. We can do the Sterling baseball tonight. We can do any of them that are lined up there. But specifically the Origins, since it just came out today, we don't want to let it get stale out there. So check out the offerings. I can't, like I said, I can't do a live session on Friday. I can, however, do a live session tomorrow. It's not too far down, 54.6, so a couple $100. That's like nothing with the volatility of that stuff, right? If it's not down 20K, it's not down anything. All right, here we go. Box 3. Giolito, Bubik, Casey Mize, the rookies. Bagwell, T-minus 321. Diamond Kings. Got a blue for Toronto, Hyunjin Ryu. That is 9 of 99. Ramirez Mythical. Andrew Vaughn. Rated rookie. Unleashed of Aaron Judge. Here comes the auto. How about Brian Hayes? This is going to be one of the retro autos. Very nice. Pittsburgh going to Scott O. Scott, here you go, buddy. Very nice. Brian Hayes Retro Series Signatures. Cool cards. Nice hit. Congrats, sir. Liberatore, rated prospect. Barry Larkin, mythical. Vladdy Jr., Diamond Kings. Got a Garrett Cole, silver prism. And what do we got? We got a Joe Panic, Optic autographs for Toronto. Going to Natalino. Nice. This is the first of this style. The first of this style that I've seen. Very nice. Joe Panic, Toronto, Optic autographs. Nice hit. Do you have one in this? Let's see, Trav. Nope, I don't show that you have spots in this one. I think you were in the first one. I called out your name a bunch of times, and I was making a joke. I said, see, he's not around, and he's getting hits. You got nice stuff in the first one, and I think you got called out for the Cowboys and something else maybe in the first Origins, too. Diamond Kings, Rivera, Lights Out, Prism version. Guys, this is another hot box, isn't it? 'Cause this is auto number 3 right here. So the hot boxes have 5 autos or 20 numbered prisms, and I think we're already looking at auto number 3 with this Patino. Yes, we are. Luis Patino. Luis Patino. That is going to be Tampa Bay on the board. Going to Dean. Congrats, Dean. So we should have another hot box on our hands. Diamond Kings, Bryce Harper. Got a Max Scherzer. Here's a Carolina blue, Xander. That's to 50, 31 out of 50 for Boston. Luis Rodriguez. Unless we just had one extra bonus auto, which would be pretty weird. No, because here it is. Here's the 4th auto. How about a Debbie Garcia to 75? So we do have a second hot box. We had the Prism hot box, and now we have the auto hot box. Debbie Garcia for New York. Yankee spot is owned by Mike DL. There you go, buddy. That's the Carolina blue also. right? Debbie Garcia. Nice hit. Rated rookie. Going to Mike DL. Sixto. Corbin Burns, Milwaukee. Devers. Got a Tyler Glasnow, Tampa Bay to 149. McKenzie. Come on. I still can't figure out what that style is. You guys tell me what that style is. I was asking before. Nobody chimed in to let me know, though. C.J. Abrams, rated prospect. Jacob deGrom. And what do we got? We got a number to 50. Jose Garcia for Cincinnati. Cincinnati belongs to Robert G. 2 out of 50. Red. Look at that auto. That is one hell of an auto. Jose Garcia, rated rookie auto, red. For the Cincinnati spot. And Robert, nice hit. Joey Bart, rated rookie. Diamond Kings, the Devers right there. And again, I still don't know what this particular style is. Whatever it is pretty cool. And Spencer, rated prospect, last one. All right, we're down to the last 3 boxes. We're halfway through. All right, here we go. Need a beverage. Losing my voice already. All right. Photon, that's what it's called, Photon. I only pulled one of them in the full first half, and now that one right there. Non-numbered parallel. All right, I'll go with that. It is the Photon? All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. I mean, these are the last 3 boxes I'll be breaking of it, so, you know. that knowledge is good to know right now, but it's not going to do me any good in about, 20 minutes, because there'll be no more to look at. But always appreciated. All right, here we go. Here we go. Excuse me. We got pieces of the wrapper stuck to me. All right. We got an Arihara, the rookies. Got a Bellinger. Diamond Kings to 125 prism there. Devers, Diamond Kings. Alex Verdugo. Silver. And here we go. How about Andy Young for Arizona? Arizona going to Greg S. Rated rookie auto coming your way, Greg. Little inscription at the end. Andy Young, Arizona. Nice. Altuve. What do we got? We got a Tony La Russa coming up here. Retro auto. Tony La Russa. Pretty cool. Retro Series signatures. Chicago. So that's 2 autos pretty close to each other. out of a box that's only supposed to have 2 autos. Let's see what the heck we got going on here. There's a Spencer Rated Prospect Silver. Got a Chris Paddock, Sammy Sosa. Guys, do we have 3 hot boxes? The Prism hot box, the hot box that we just did because we did 5 autos, and this is auto number 3 out of this box. So do we have 3 hot boxes in this second batch of 6? Brent Rooker, Minnesota. That goes to Mike T. Rated rookie auto, nice, and that's silver as well. Brent Rooker, Minnesota, rated rookie auto. Max Meyer, rated prospect. Two auto hot boxes per case, is that right? Okay, well then I guess we do. They just both happen to fall in the second 6 boxes. Got a Mike Yastrzemski, Diamond Kings, that is the Prism version. Garrett Cole, Lights Out. Got a red, white, and blue Matt Chapman, Oakland, to $199. Sorry about Nightbot there, Joe. Gets a little crazy. Jacob deGrom, Lights Out. Prism, Silver Prism. Juan Soto, Unleashed. And here comes another one. How about Isaac Paredes for Detroit to 50? So a red, rated rookie Isaac Paredes, Detroit. Brandon Lau with a silver. Jose Abreu. And we got a Charlie Blackmon black border going on here to 25. Really nice. Colorado. Colorado spot is Jeremy W. Rated prospect. And last little bit, we should still see one more auto, I think. Christian Yelich Mythical. And here it is. That's going to be the 75. Rated rookie auto, Daniel Johnson for Cleveland. Blue. Cleveland going to Daniel K. Dalton Varsho, rated rookie. Silver. Brian Reynolds, Diamond Kings, Trevor Rogers, and a rated prospect for Boston. All right, guys, box number 4. So in this 6 boxes, we have had the 3 hot boxes. We've had a Prism hot box with 20 numbered Prisms, and then we've had the 2 5 auto hot boxes. So, yeah, that shook out pretty crazy. All right, here we go, box number 5. Let's just cut that one ahead of time. All right, empty box. So what's the word, fellas? Can we do some more Origins football tonight? Like I said, I got some stuff going on Friday. That's going to not allow me to really be able to do some breaks on Friday. I probably can do breaks tomorrow. But it would definitely behoove us to get another, 1 or 2 more of those Origins filled up. So check out the offerings there, guys. Prices were reduced pretty heavily. You're going to see some of the best prices, if not the best prices of all, reputable breakers out there. Stay. There's just like a springboard action going on there. They don't want to stay. Sorry about the puppy barks. The puppy's barking in the background. Oh, there he is. It's really getting after it now. On Sunday, we picked up puppy number 2. Yes. 2 of them. All right, here we go. Last pack. All right, 1 sec. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can keep these from sliding off each other. Lights out, Roger Clemens. Boston with the silver rated prospect. Diamond Kings of Korea. All right, what do we got? Diamond Kings. Prism version right there of Kyle Lewis. Here's a Pink Velocity. Joey Bart, Pink Velocity rated rookie, numbering the 249. Stanton, T-321. Suarez, silver. It's like we've had so many hot boxes that we're on a standard box now. It feels kind of weird. Devers, Diamond Kings. It's like only 2 autos. Come on. Unleashed, Mike Trout. Keston, Byron Buxton. Mookie Betts, Mythical. Silver. And what do we got? We got a Yelich, numbering to 99. William Contreras, Atlanta, rated rookie, silver. Jack Flaherty, Diamond Kings. All right, here comes our first auto of 2. It's going to be a Retro Series auto. Dane Dunning from Texas. This goes to Jim W. Dane Dunning, Retro Series Signatures. Congrats, sir. Sixto, the rookies. Rated prospect. I think the next auto is kind of back there. You can see the orange back of it. All right, Corbin Burns. Rated prospect of Cespedes. And here it is. It's going to be a... that's something you don't expect. Numbering to 25, Bo Jackson, Kansas City. That's interesting. Robert T. is the owner. Pink Velocity. Retro rated rookie of Bo Jackson. That's on card ink too. That's that is awesome. That is awesome. Retro rated rookie Pink Velocity Bo Jackson to 25. What a crazy case. Holy cow. I was saying this box feels a little dull because it doesn't have 5 autos, and then that shows up. Let's see what else we got. Vladdy Jr. Got an Evan White. Joe wishes. Oh, it's a White Sox card. I know, right? Evan White, Seattle, rated rookie. And what do we got? Number to 149, Anthony Rizzo. 2 of 149. Lights out, Pedro, and a Keston Jerstad rated prospect right there. Very cool. Guys, what a crazy case. What a crazy case. The second 6 boxes ended up being the big-time winner on this one. The first 6 weren't bad at all. But, man, what a second 6 coming up here. What a second 6. All right, here we go. Last box. Last box. And that is empty. Let's see if we can keep the fire going in box number 6. I mean, it's been hot all the way across. Can we continue it? There's a Dominguez rated prospect. I've only seen 1 appearance of Dominguez so far across this whole case. That'll be the second time he's showing up. Excuse me. Four packs left. All right, here we go, fellas. Here we go. I almost forgot that we also pulled the 1/1 gold vinyl earlier in this 6 boxes, right? Dinner and more abuse. Good luck, Trav. Good luck, buddy. All right, Flaherty, Anderson, Tejeda. We got a Jimenez auto coming up here. Cleveland going to be on the board for Daniel K. Andres Jimenez. Auto for the Cleveland spot. Congrats, congrats. All right, that auto came up rather quick. Diamond Kings of Acuna Jr. Pache, the rookies. Mookie, silver prism. Bobachette, mythical. We got a Diaz from Miami, rated rookie, silver. Bellinger, Diamond Kings. Bellinger, silver. Bellinger, unleashed. Christian Robinson, rated prospect, silver. Drew Waters, rated prospect. We got a blue of Alec Boehm, very nice. Philadelphia, that is going to be to 99. Jonathan India. Got a George Brett mythical. Rated prospect of Adley. Soto unleashed. Nelson Cruz Diamond Kings. That is going to be a prism version there. And what do we got? We got a Jazz Chisholm from Miami. Rated rookie. The Pink Velocity. 249. Javier Baez mythical. And here it is, guys. Very nice. What a way to finish here. Joe Adell, this is going to be 4 out of 35. Angels going to Mike DL. Nice hit, Mike. Pink Velocity. Auto-rated rookie of Joe Adell. For the Angels, buddy. Congrats, congrats. Nice hit. 4 of 35. Seaver lights out. Pujols behind that. Trevor Story Diamond Kings. And then we got a Juan Soto Diamond Kings silver, I believe, right? Otani mythical. Dalton Varsho rated rookie orange. Arizona to 125. Nelson Cruz. Frank Thomas, T-321. There's a rated prospect of Dominguez. Like I said, that's that second appearance of Dominguez. Gonzalez, rated rookie. And the last card in the whole shebang is Bryce Harper, T-321. Guys, thanks so much again for getting it filled up. These will be shipped out in the next shipping batch out of Vegas. And do appreciate it, guys. Thank you again.